Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Limoncello Kit is probably one of the most delightful and rewarding ways to bring a taste of Italian sunshine right into your home, offering a unique hands-on experience that culminates in a vibrant, zesty, and perfectly sweet liqueur, ideal for sipping chilled on a warm evening or sharing with friends and family as a homemade treat that truly impresses. Number 5. The Cocktail Box Company. Old-fashioned cocktail kit. Introducing the perfect companion for cocktail enthusiasts on the go. This compact kit brings the classic old-fashioned experience right to your fingertips, no matter where you are. Designed with the modern traveler in mind, it's small enough to fit in your carry-on. You can enjoy a premium drink even when you're thousands of feet up in the air. Everything required for a perfect old-fashioned is neatly packed within. It includes high-quality bitters and convenient old-fashioned cubes, simplifying the mixing process. Forget complicated recipes or bulky ingredients. With this, crafting a sophisticated drink is quick and easy, allowing you more time to relax and enjoy. Transform any ordinary trip into an extraordinary experience. It ensures you never have to compromise on your favorite cocktail, even far from home. What we like. This compact kit is designed for on-the-go cocktail enthusiasts. It provides all the essentials for a classic old-fashioned, even when you're away from home. If you love a good cocktail while traveling or want a convenient way to enjoy one anywhere, this is your perfect companion. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted for the homemade Limoncello Kit. Number 4. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Create your own unique drinks at home. This kit uses high-quality, non-GMO natural ingredients with any alcohol base you choose. It's perfect for crafting personalized beverages. Explore 12 distinct natural infusion materials included in the kit. These offer limitless customization, allowing you to craft unique flavor profiles. Even beginners can get started with the provided recipe instructions. Showcase your mixology skills and impress friends and family. Serve them delicious homemade infused spirits and cocktails. They will surely be amazed by your creations. Unlock a world of flavors and combinations previously unavailable. With this kit, you can experiment and create tastes you won't find in any store. It opens up endless possibilities for your palate. Presented in a beautiful gift package, it's ideal for any occasion. All included stainless steel and glass components are conveniently dishwasher safe. This makes it a thoughtful and practical present. What we like. This kit empowers you to craft unique infused spirits with a wide array of natural ingredients. It offers limitless customization, allowing you to explore flavors beyond store-bought options. If you're a creative spirit looking to personalize your drinks or searching for an impressive gift for a cocktail lover, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Chocolate Truffle Making Kit. Discover the joy of crafting your own gourmet treats. This kit provides everything you need to start your chocolate-making adventure. It's a fantastic hands-on experience for anyone. You'll love creating delicious truffles right in your own kitchen. Whether you're young or just young at heart, everyone can enjoy this delightful activity. It's designed to be fun and accessible for all skill levels. Inside, you'll find clear recipes and all the necessary ingredients. Everything is pre-measured and ready for you to begin. Imagine making 18 exquisite, hand-rolled chocolate truffles. They're perfect for sharing or savoring yourself. Looking for a unique present? This makes an ideal gift for foodies, craft enthusiasts, or anyone who loves chocolate. What we like. This delightful kit provides everything needed to create gourmet chocolate truffles at home. It's designed to be an easy and enjoyable activity, perfect for engaging the whole family. If you're looking for a fun, hands-on project to do with kids or a sweet treat to make for a special occasion, this kit is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Limoncello Labels, Pack of 12. Elevate your homemade limoncello with these elegant labels. They add a touch of sophistication to your bottles. Each pack contains a dozen high-quality, gloss-white labels. They are designed to make your creations stand out. Applying them is effortless thanks to their convenient peel-off sticky back. Simply peel and adhere to your bottles for a secure fit. A dotted line at the bottom allows you to easily personalize each label. Write in your batch number, date, or a special message. Featuring square corners and a printed double border, these labels offer a polished and professional appearance. They ensure your limoncello looks as good as it tastes. Measuring 2.18 inches wide by 2.34 inches tall, they are perfectly sized for most standard limoncello bottles. This ensures a prominent yet fitting display. What we like. These labels offer a simple yet professional way to brand your homemade limoncello. Their gloss white finish and double border give your bottles an elegant, finished appearance. If you're making limoncello in small batches and want a clean, classic look with a touch of personalization, these are a great standard option. What people say. Number 1. Personalized Limoncello Labels Set of 22. Introducing our set of 22 personalized Limoncello labels. These unique and beautiful labels are designed to perfectly complement your homemade brewing creations. Each pack includes 10 large pre-printed labels and 12 smaller stickers. This variety ensures you have the perfect label for every bottle you craft. Crafted to be 100% waterproof, these labels will withstand any condensation. Plus, their good adhesive ensures they stick firmly to your bottles without peeling. The 12 handwriting stickers allow you to personalize each bottle. You can easily add your name, the date, and batch number using a ballpoint pen for a lasting touch. Say goodbye to plain, cheap markers that aren't waterproof or customizable. These labels offer a significant upgrade, providing a professional and elegant finish. Achieve a high-end look without the custom label price tag. They make your final product elegant enough for sale or as thoughtful holiday gifts. What we like. This set provides a generous quantity of durable, waterproof labels specifically for limoncello. It combines pre-printed elegance with dedicated space for your handwritten details, offering a truly personalized touch. If you produce limoncello regularly, need labels that withstand moisture, and appreciate both a professional design and the ability to add specific batch information, this collection is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source is empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.